Hey, welcome back to Squarebody Stuff. I'm your host, Chad, and we got Buddy back in the shop. The last video I put up, actually the last two videos I put up were about this truck. I broke some stuff. I broke the front drive shaft, the rear output shaft on the transfer case, hauling some hay. Not a big deal. I had all the parts, just laying around actually to fix him up. But I just want to admit that I'm an idiot, because I'm always a big advocate of do the job right, even if it takes an extra half a day or full day to clean stuff, make sure everything's right, do it right. That way you don't have to worry about coming back and do it again. I didn't do that. So you can kind of get caught up on more of what happened in the video. I'll put the link up here, in the upper corner of those cards. But I broke the rear output shaft, and I just changed out the whole rear housing, output shaft and all. Not a big deal. Looked like all of the parts that had broke were in the old output shaft housing. It didn't look like anything else could have went down into the transfer case. So I took a shortcut and decided, hey, I don't need to pull the lower cover, the front. It's on the back of the transfer case. I didn't pull that cover off, drain it, and make sure there wasn't any bearings or any broken parts down in the bottom of the transfer case. On my first test drive, I made a couple noises I wasn't happy with, so I pulled the truck back in the shop. Took that cover off, and here is what I found. So this is the cover I took off the back of the transfer case, and I was able to, I took the drain plug out too. I was able to take a magnet and fish around in there and use a flashlight, make sure I got all the junk out of the bottom of the transfer case, and I couldn't see any other real damage that it might have done. So I think I dodged a bullet on my laziness. So I'll just have to clean this up, put the cover back on, and I think we'll be alright. And I'll show you all of the junk that I pulled out of the bottom of this transfer case. All of this garbage was floating around in the bottom of the transfer case. We've got bearings, we've got this, and then we got that. So this is just a short video of don't be an idiot like me. Double check everything, make sure you do the job right, because luckily I think I caught it in time that it didn't do any other irreversible damage. But I took a shortcut on this one, almost bit me in the butt, and that's what happens sometimes. So don't do what I did. Y'all keep your square bodies rolling, and we'll catch you next time.